Alright, today's video I'm going to show you an effect. This is another one of my mentor effect, Allan Ackerman. This is from his book from 1994, Las Vegas Kardma. And this effect is called Return of the Black Widow. And this is a really strong effect. And you start off, you have the aces, and what you're going to do is you're going to have the black ones here and the red ones here. And you're going to show the aces. You're going to take, you're going to do a buckle here. And then you're going to take off the top three. Okay. You're then going to pretend to turn over these black ones, but actually you have double lift here, right? So you're going to show the two red ones, and then you're going to flip them over, set these down. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to have anybody think of. You have two spectators, you have one think of any red card and any black card. Okay. Obviously, other than the aces. What you're going to do is set those down. What you're going to do is you're going to, you can show this like this, blocking the index here if you wish, but what I do is a really clean display from Darin, and it's a way to show like this. See how you just angle joggle it over, so it's really clever. So I use that ruse from Mr. Darin. As I show this, then I flip this over, okay? After I show it, I square it up, and I set it on the top. Then you're going to do a slip cut, okay, to pretend to cut those in the middle. Then you set this down. What you actually have here, you want the cards to be signed because it's stronger, but you don't have to if you don't want. That's obviously for maximum effect. What you're going to do is a double undercut this ace, one ace to the bottom. You're going to set this down to your left. Now you're going to pick up the black ones here. Obviously you've got a red and a black, but you're going to block that index, and you're going to use this ruse again of angling it to hide the index. Okay, so you can display it really clean. You're then going to pick up this half, and you're going to square this up. Okay, when you square this up, you're going to turn this over. Now you're immediately going to spread, and you're going to reverse count out jogging. Okay, so this is your what you have here, right? So we'll back up. You just showed it like this, okay? Being careful not to show the index there, because you angle it. You square that up, and you say the black card goes in with the black aces. Okay? You're then going to take in middle grip off the triple and immediately count over. So you go 1, 2, 3 is your reverse count. Next, you're going to set this down, and you've already switched it for the red one. So this is very, very strong. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get a break on it about a dozen cards with your pinky. You just dig in as you come over here, and you add this on as you make a fan. As you say, remember, over in this half we have the red card with the red ones. Now what you do is you're way ahead of the effect. The effect is done. So they think the red card is with the red and the black is black, but actually it's not. Then you just cross your hands, snap. It's a magical gesture, and then you reveal that the red card is with the black and the black card is with the red, and they've switched places. So this is a really strong effect that you can do, and this is from my mentor Allan Ackerman. Enjoy it.